I'm Rehana, I'm the main programmer, and I also wrote the TDP.
I'm Monica, I'm in the software section, and I also design the comics.
I'm Baran, I'm also the programmer, and I made the posting.
I'm Melody, I'm responsible for the electronics, and I also edited this video.
I'm Diana, I'm the mechanic, and I also wrote the scenario.
To enable the Pixie CM5 camera, we first set a color signature in the Pixie mod app and then set a X and Y in the programming system for the robot to be able to follow it. A problem that we faced was that the certain color that we needed to be detected was not detected. Therefore, what we did that really helped us was to put the brightness higher or lower, which really helped us to make the camera to focus on that certain color.
We use the HC05 Bluetooth transceiver module in order to make a connection between our construction head, which is a G525 tilt module equipped, and our turtle-shaped robot Lucky. Our main problem with this transceiver module was its transfer system. The transfer couldn't send the signal on time and had a bit of delay during the transfer. We used two HC05 models so we could make the connection between these two. One of them takes place in the head and the other is placed in Lucky. One of these models is called Slave and the other one is called Master. Each of these models had a different type of programming that complete each other. Master transfers the signal and Slave receives it.
We chose the IR sharp distance sensors because of our past experiences with the sensor and also because of its speed and accuracy. The speed and accuracy in this sensor help the LEDs to light up on time when the robot passes by them. When the robot passes by these LEDs, the distance sensor is triggered by the lack of distance between the robot and the LEDs, which results in them lighting up.
For our robot's arms to have a smoother movement throughout the performance, we decided to use MG995 servo motors that are DC. One problem we faced was finding the perfect angle for the hand to move in, and to fix that we tried so many angles to eventually find the perfect one. To activate our servo motors, we must provide them with 12 volts and we must give the motors an angle to move in while we're programming. The combination of the two creates the best movement for our robots.
For our turtle Lucky, we made paper mache by using recycled papers to make it more environmental friendly. For our second robot, Aqua, we used a recycled bottle. The bottle also serves significance in our scenario by being about water.